apple cider braised pork shoulder for my sweet papa for lunch tomorrow. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, tomorrow I'm having lunch with my sweet papa, and he asked for a fall specialty, apple cider braised pork shoulder. Delicious. Now let's get started. To begin with, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, I'm using a 5-pound pork shoulder. Pat dry your pork shoulder with paper towel on both sides. I'm seasoning the other side with kosher salt and black pepper. You will need an oven-proof roasting pan, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Transfer the pork shoulder to your roasting pan, and we're going to brown the meat on each side for approximately 5 minutes. My pork shoulder has been braised on all sides. In the same pan, add 2 sliced sweet onion. And I'm going to add some kosher salt to help it along. We're going to saute the onions for approximately 5 minutes. The onions have sauteed beautifully. Now it's time to add 3 minced garlic cloves, and we're going to cook it for no longer than 1 minute. You don't want to burn the garlic. 2 cups of apple cider, my favorite. 1 cup of chicken stock. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of thyme from my garden, 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Antonio took me apple picking yesterday, and I'm going to add 1 sliced apple, and we're going to allow this to cook beautifully. Return the pork shoulder to the roasting pan. Bake in your oven for 3.5 hours. The aroma that is going to go through your home will be unbelievable. Apple cider pork shoulder baked off beautifully. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. It smells like fall. I have a little bit of the roast, a little bit of the apple, some juices. I'm going to taste this for you. The apple, the pork, so juicy. Delicioso. Absolutely fabulous dish for the fall. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Ooh, with some bread.